Okay, number 5 says the table shows the prices of some breakfast items. Sarah ordered 2 eggs, a slice of bacon, a glass of orange juice for breakfast. The sales tax for the order was 48 cents. So they've already done the tax for us, and they've given us the amount. It says she paid for her breakfast with a $10 bill. How much change means I'm subtracting, should she receive from the $10 bill? So we look at what we've got here. She's buying 2 eggs, so I know I'm going to have to multiply that by 2. She's getting 1 slice of bacon and 1 glass of orange juice. I'm going to see if I can do some estimation here. So $1.69 is close to $1.70. So I'm going to multiply that. 34. Add a decimal, 2. $3.40 is what I'm buying or paying for my 2 eggs. Then I'm going to add in $1.50. Again, this is me estimating. I'm just going to be a few cents off. And a lot of times this is a good tool to use when you're having to do quite a bit of math. That's $4.90. And then I have a glass of orange juice, which I'm going to call $1.10. That's $6. So if I'm buying $6 worth of stuff, I have 48 cents that I have to pay in tax. That's $6.48. Now, of course, look at that. There's that answer choice, but it wants to know how much change. So once you've done work, don't just assume that you're finished. You got to make sure you reread the question, even if you're tired. Because I would hate for you to know exactly what to do and then just miss it because of something silly. So I'm borrowing. This becomes a 0. That's a 9. That's a 9. And this one, 0, is the only one that I call full credit. Gets the full 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 is 5. 3. And then my decimal gets dropped down. And now, because I've estimated, this has to be my answer, because I knew I was going to be a few cents off since I rounded up on a couple of different things. Okay? So don't let that tricky answer get ya.